How to draw a front-on proscenium. This could also be called end-on. Start by drawing the space that you intend to design for. So here I'm drawing the outline of the stage base, using dots as reference points, and then drawing straight lines to give me my stage space. My next step is to draw a centre line. I've done this with a dot dash and labelled centre line at the bottom. My next step is to draw the proscenium arch. So this is from a bird's eye view, looking straight down onto the stage. These are stage left and stage right, and I've just blocked those in so I know where they will be. Next step is to draw a dashed line between the pros arch. This is to show that there is still a scenery piece above the stage height. Changing colour to a green pen, I am placing in some masking panels. These can obviously change for different designs, but these are there to mask off any of the areas of the stage that I do not want an audience to see. Colouring those in with a green pen. My next step is to draw my stage shape. So this is where any kind of rostra or staging will be. I place that within the drawing so I know exactly where that's going to sit. For this example, I've drawn a round steel deck circle, which is 4 steps high. I've added in step units, stage left and stage right, and I've drawn arrows going from the top height of the stairs down to the stage level. I've also used a dashed line here to show that it is off of the stage floor. What I also tend to do is to put a plus and then add the height of how many steps or what the dimension will be. My next step is to draw the audience in. I'm doing this in a blue pen. So because this is front on, the audience will be directly in front of the stage. This is a basic layout where I'm just using small squares to show where the seats will be. And one important aspect is that I'm using arrows to show which way the audience will be facing. Continuing also in blue pen, I am using arrows to show where my entrances could potentially be between the masking flats. And I'm just doing a small key here to show that that's what they are. Finally, something that's key is I'm using a squiggly line, which is something we use in technical drawings to show if there is a fabric drape or curtain. And I've used this as a back cloth at the back. Final labelling is the upstage, downstage, stage left and stage right. And finally, I've used dots or crosses to show where potential actors or locations will be for that design. So that's for a front-on, end-on or proscenium arch stage layout.